So we'll be having our transformer here. So this is the entrance. So right here, this is Tinker's Corner. You can see there's a gatehouse there, security gatehouse. Then we have 1 unit, 2 units, and 3 units available. Each of them are going for 260 million naira. So we're gonna check this one out. So you see the size, and this is actually the smallest we have. The other two are bigger, but so you see, because it's having this security attached to it, it makes it smaller, right? Makes it look smaller. One thing my people know me is one thing my people know me for is giving them the perfect property that is gonna make their dream come true. So at my back here we have this amazing 5-bedroom duplex with a BQ, and we are selling for as low as 260 million. This is Tinker's Corner, very close to the airport. It's about 5 minutes drive to the airport. So you know, if you're buying here, you're close to the airport, you're close to the city, the location is good. So we'll bring you here if you want to be part of this. If you want to be within this, we just have 3 units here, and 1 has been sold, just 2 remaining. But what can I say? We're giving you the best. So call me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's get you started, and you can be a house owner right here in Enugu, Nigeria.
So if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification button to also see properties that I have right here in Enugu.
Let's go inside so you get to see what we have here. Over there is a fountain. Water will come out from here, down here. So right here we have the entrance. This is a pivot door. This is the ante room, visitor's toilet. Then this is the parlor, dining area. Then this is the TV console and the lights. Then this is the visitor's room and the visitor's toilets. Then this is the staircase. Then this is the kitchen with the kitchen store. And voila! Almost done at this kitchen and the lights. Then that's the BQ. We'll have self-contained BQ here. So let's go upstairs. We'll still put the rail, the glass rail that will come up here. So you can see we have all these lights that will come up here when you step. So this is it. So we have room 1, room 2, room 3, and room 4 upstairs, plus the one down 5, plus the BQ 6. So this is the children's parlor. Then this is the master's bedroom. Voila! Very spacious. You can see the glass is just yellow foam and giving enough. You see the POP we use here. Then this is the sit out. the lights to use here. Then comes with TV console. Then this is the wardrobe. It's double wardrobes. And then this is the shower. The shower and toilet fittings. So let's check out the second room upstairs. So this is the second room upstairs. Comes with 2 windows and the wardrobe. And the toilet. Wardrobe. The room. This one has a cross-ventilated room. And the toilets. And the shower. So let's go to the last room. That's the 4th room upstairs. You can see they are working on the wardrobe. Well done, sir. You can see this one also has a cross-ventilated windows. And this is the bathroom. Very spacious. Very spacious. So I bring to you exclusive properties right here in Enugu. Luxury 5-bedroom duplex with BQ here in Tinker's Corner. So you want to be a part of this project. If you want to turn this property to a rental investment or turn it to a short-let or a mini hotel, you can buy it and also do the same. This property can generate minimum of 10 million naira annually. Yes, you heard me, 10 million naira annually. So hit me up with the number somewhere on the screen or comment, I'm interested. Let's get you started, okay? See you on the other side. I remain the #1 real estate investment coach and manager right here in the Southeast, okay? See you on my next video.